drop dead gorgeous 1957 Corvette Fuelie. It's an original 283 fuel injection car. It has the same owner for the past 27 years. This car has had a comprehensive, extensive, every nut and bolt frame off restoration. It is done to the nines. This car is pretty much flawless. There's 1.4 miles on the complete restoration. The car is Cascade green with a Shoreline beige interior, matching cove and top. Look at the body fit on this car. All the gaps are perfect. Everything lines up excellent. Every piece of chrome is redone. All the glass has been redone and new. Doesn't get any better than this. Look how straight the body is on it. All the fit and finish is excellent. Look at the chrome, the way the bumpers fit against the body. It's got the brand new tires on it, the correct Firestone white walls. Inside the gas door, it's all been refinished. The owner of this car, that's owned it for 27 years, just finished the car. He's known the history of this car since it was brand new. It was sold new at the dealership, and it's always been a fuel injected car. The body has never been hit or hurt. All original body panels, original front end, rear end. It's not been a put together car like a lot of these Corvettes have been. The door fits like a glove, closes beautifully. See the door gap on it. It's about as nice as you're going to get one. The top fit's excellent. The top fit to the window is excellent. And the side glass is up. The original T3 headlights in it. The correct T3 headlights, I should say. Here we had a little audio issue while filming this. Again, it's a fuel injected car, and he started that with one crank of the key, not even touching the gas. One turn to start right up. The car sounds absolutely amazing. Sounds like a healthy stock fuel injected Corvette should sound like. It's got the correct exhaust system and everything. It's certainly just purring like a kitten right now. I wish you could hear it. If you request a video of it running, I can do that. I might even add one here later, but we're just trying to get the car up for sale, so this is the best I got at the moment. But the thing it sounds amazing. The car, every engine's been gone through, fuel injection's been gone through, and tuned up by a fuel injection perfectionist. So it's a great car. It's the right one to own for sure. Here's the interior, done in the correct Shoreline beige. It's absolutely all completely brand new and gorgeous. All the gauges are perfect, all been restored. Steering wheel's been restored, everything's been restored in the car. See, all the jams are flawless, show condition. Top's all been, the frame's all been restored. Got the correct seal between the top and the rear deck lid here. Most people do rubber, but this is the correct way of doing it. Inside the glove box is all been redone. See, the side glass has all been restored. You can see the fit here is perfect. There's the dash, everything's done right the way it should be. All new weather stripping. Sill plate's been all restored. As nice as you're going to get one right here. Here's under the hood, this beautiful 57 Corvette. It's got the correct 283 engine. It's been all restored. Correct 4520 57 fuel unit. Original fuel injection air cleaner. You can tell right here. That's original. This is a radio delete car from the factory, so it never had ignition shielding, so that's the way it is. So everything's been meticulously restored. The washer bottle there, generator. It's truly a show car underneath here. The hoods now redone. All the hardware has been restored. Give you guys some close-ups here to show you how detailed it is. Inside the trunk's been all restored. The correct color underneath here. It's even been clear coated. Correct trunk mat. All the tools are here. And you can see it's another thing. You can see it's not a. It's actually a real radio delete car. There's never been a hole up here. I got more pictures of that in the ad for the antenna. Underneath the mat, it's been all restored. There's spares in there and the spare tire cover there. Under the trunk lid, again, beautifully restored. All the latch and hardware has been done. All new weather stripping. Here's the underneath of this 57 Corvette. You can see it's totally frame off restored. Every nut and bolt. It's got all the correct markings on the suspension. Like I say, everything is redone on the car. Original sticker on the oil filter. Correct bolts. So the frame's nice and solid. All new exhaust system. Positive end. Drive shaft with the correct markings. Got the expensive AC Delco shocks on it. The original springs with the groove in them. The original rear cross member. You can see how nice the car was done. No expensive spare in this one. All new brake hoses. You can see the fit on the rear bumper here. It's perfect. Way better than it came out of the factory. All the brake lines. Correct T10 transmission. Super nice and very well done underneath, and one of the best out there.